So if you want to learn speak or learn anything, you need to must action. Without action you can't learn anything like English or anything. Like she is my nephew and he can swim very well. Like he is a 6 years old but he can swim. We are came here like see we are came here with boat and swimming, and we are on the like a middle of river. So see she can swim, he can swim very well, not bad. See is go far away, don't go far away, come here. So how he can swim, I explain some things. And when he was like 3 or 4 years old, he come with me sometimes, and when we are meet sometimes we are came with, and slowly he can learn swim. But he can't no rule, he not study how to swim, how to need to move something, he can't know, but he can swim. Sometimes he asked how you do you know rule in swimming, but he said no rule, I just I can swim. He can very well, see, and he's just 6 year old. He can how, because he take a action. So I think English is like that. I am now practicing speak English, I'm not making video, I not advise you, I'm just studying because I'm taking action. So I'm taking action like this. So he tried to wake up and he tried to wake up in the boat, and don't you go swim, you go swim, yes, yes, go. And see he is swimming. I say you want to learn speak English, you need to must action. Like me, I am taking a action like that's why I'm doing mistake, but he also did a lot of mistake when he start swimming. But English I am like making a video, I am doing mistake, I know this. But if you want to practice, you also doing mistake. But I realize we learn anything, we need to action. So I taking action. What will be later I don't know, but if I practice very well, then I will learn very well. So that's why I am try to practice. And you want to learn speak English, you don't stay study, don't just reading, don't just watching video or listening something. You need to speak, you need to speak, and you need to output. Like you don't take a just input, it won't be work. I did a lot of time, I fail, but now I taking a decision, I will learn. That's why like try to make a video, I'm doing mistake, I know this, but I am taking action to learn speaking English. So like this swimming or like anything, so you don't take only input, a lot of you need to output. You try to really practice. First of all you try to make video, you will be mistake a lot of time, but you try to make video, you don't only video, you try to practice with loud, you try to speak, try to pronunciation, and try to say around yourself in English. So if you practice that way, you can learn a lot of things. So what's happened? So like see another person is going to some work with boat. So we are on the boat, like say you want to getting up, just wait. So you want to like getting up, wait, hold my hand, get, I'm pulling him. So now I'm pulling him. So he's harding on head. He say don't worry, get laugh, get jump, no jump here, no jump here, here have some weights, so don't jump here. So this if you want to learn, that's why you need to action anything. So you swim or any skill you want to learn, you need to action. So we are on the river, we are camp here. So you need to, that's why to practice. Now I will swim. So on my hand it's a towel, like you say this is the towel. So it's very good. So we are coming here. So no, So please, so and you say, and I'm practicing that way, and please give me feedback. So that's my practicing is right or wrong. I am saying some of wrong sentence or some of wrong English. I'm doing mistake, but I know. But please give me feedback. So that is my like a right way to I'm doing right way practice or wrong. So please give me feedback. So thank you for watching, and please support me.